Okay.
Hey, Sandra.
Hey, y'all.
Come over. You know, I'm not trying to block you.
Ugh, I'm trying to get comfy. Ooh, y'all really joined in.
Hi, guys.
Let me put my glasses on.
At this time, look nice.
Oh, Lord. Rick. Oh,
That name is cute. Rose.
Okay, so guys, thank y'all so much. We had some technical difficulties.
We are definitely not that tech savvy.
No, I'm techie savvy because
girl,
that's my field.
We couldn't get the live going, so we
had some technical difficulties, but we made it through. And so we're glad you guys are tuning in. We hope you sit back, relax, and also jump in when you need to jump in. But
what she said.
Don't even jump in.
Hey, pals.
Hey, guys. I'm going to wave back at y'all.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, that name is cute. So, what do you want to start off talking about?
So, let's just basically introduce ourselves. That's number one.
Hey, Eric.
So, once again, hi. My name is Ahambu Chenna DK. I am one of the event coordinators here for Uiuh Houston.
Afambu Adeze Neka Lanu Abumonia Enugu State. I am Uiuh Houston's secretary. And thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. No, I'm just playing.
Nah, we joking. We mess with y'all. Y'all know we kind of goofy. But anyway, long story short, we definitely wanted to come and just kind of like gist. Because as you know, we have our upcoming gala in Houston, Texas. If y'all go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com, get your tickets, guys. Before, don't come the last week, the last day saying, hey, I need my ticket. Now, if you need a ticket, definitely reach out to us or any of our e-board members.
Yes, this is the perfect time, to safely slide in DMs. So you have permission to slide in Fab's DMs.
What? Hold on a second. Are you trying to sell my market?
This is the perfect time to slide in her DMs to secure the ticket. My DMs are under construction, so it's not gonna happen.
It's not under construction.
But the link is in my bio. The link is in my bio. So hey Pam.
Hey guys. So like I said, we wanted to basically just have a chill, kickback, talk to you guys, and also we want to hear from you guys. Like, what is it y'all are expecting to see at our gala? Like, I know for us, like we're just pumped to see a lot of people from all over. And not only that, we also want to make sure that our people that have businesses or entrepreneurs, we actually support our own. And supporting our own, doing a cultural gala like this really brings people out from all walks of life. Not just even Nigerians. This thing is open to everybody. So we definitely want to get on here and talk to you guys. Kick back, have a good time talking, and just get right to it.
Yeah. Oh, you forgot to say we want to be cute. So I've only hit up my tailor like 10 times. So come dressed to impress. Attire is formal, traditional. We want to look nice. We want to look good, feel good. We want to get a good vibe of the culture. You might find your wife or husband. You never know.
Y'all never know.
So come correct. It's a great time. Dancing?
Oh yeah.
Is
that even a question? We're dancing. We're definitely
we'll
dancing.
be dancing, you know. And we also have some great vendor tables. We have a lot of people that donated, right?
Yeah, we really did. And we still have people that are trying to like put their business out there on a whole nother level. So we really want to support ours. For instance, we have, let me just throw out one of our members. We have Urban Attires. We have
Distinctive.
Oh yeah, we have Distinctive Tradwear. We have Royal Ways Designs. We have House of Hot. We have
Wig Couture.
I mean, the list can go on with our members. Like our members are like distinctively like artistic. They got so many different talents, like from everybody. So, who said distinctive making my outfit? Okay, eBay, get your outfit on.
Good move.
We're gonna be looking for your wife too.
That's a smart move.
We're gonna be looking for your wife.
eBay, come on.
Your wife. I'm
eBay, I hope you got your gala ticket. Your wife will be at that gala in Jesus' name.
Because I'm dragging her to you with the ring. Okay.
Oh my God.
But anyway, you know, just in talking about
I'm
this
just kidding.
gala,
You don't have to marry if you don't want to.
you know, just in talking about this gala, I know like some things that a lot of times people are kind of skeptical about is like, you know, I want to meet this guy or this girl, but I'm not quite sure how they're gonna like, you know, how to approach them.
Yeah.
So, I mean, for you, like, what do you feel like is the best way to approach a woman that you're interested in, or, you know, vice versa? Like, okay, let's just say for women, for us, like, what do you like?
Make sure your mouth is not smelling, because it's a no. Obviously, be respectful. Introduce yourself. Engage in a casual conversation. You know,
that makes sense.
Yes, ask their name. Ask if they're single. Because, you know, ask if she's married. Look for a ring. Even if there is no ring, you know. Ask. For me, you have to be funny. Like, if I'm engaging in a conversation with you and you want to keep my attention, you need to do something funny. Don't be like, oh, I'm going to marry. Sir, we've known each other for 2 minutes. Let's, you know, pipe down. No, seriously. Like, I'm just like, oh my God, I'm your wife. Oh, okay, that's cute. But I feel like it should be something natural. If you want to get to know somebody, at least engage with them as if you're trying to be their friend first. Mm-hmm. Not just, oh, I just want to be friends, just so you could get my number. But in reality, that doesn't work.
And please don't play the shy card and tell me that your friend comes over there and says, oh, my friend, you know, they like you, but kind of shy, so I'm just coming here to come on talk on the behalf.
Sir, don't do that, because you're giving away your wife to someone else. Be bold enough to talk to that person. Like, if you know you see someone at the gala looking cute, and I think majority of the women are going to look cute. I think the women are going to kill it more than the guys. But if you find someone attractive, shoot your shot. What's the worst that can happen? She says no, thank you. You know, you might find somebody else that wants to talk to you. Oh, here goes the rest of who?
Oh Lord, we got some people in here already.
Know the team shy. Be bold and direct. Like, be respectfully confident. It's okay to be shy, but be respectfully confident. You know.
Yeah, and you know,
baby boy.
I know some people have said that they're looking forward to trying to find a date, and you know, I think that's also another great way to kind of get to know somebody. Absolutely. And I mean, for you, like, if someone was to approach you, like asking to take you as a date, like, is that a yes or no, or is it kind of like it just depends on the person?
I honestly think it's a cute idea. I think it's a cute idea. It's a way for you to get to know somebody on a different level. For me personally, if I want to be seen in public with you, I'm at least a little bit interested. We're both dressing up. It's not like you're asking me on a date to a movies where it's dark and we're just looking at each other. Please, guys, don't ever invite invite a woman to the movies on the first date?
Okay, because baby, you're not gonna
What
get.
are we gonna be talking about in the dark? In the dark.
There's nothing to talk about in the dark. Why would you talk in the dark?
So this is an event where you can actually be dressed up. Guys, this is free game. This is a gala. You're getting a free. This is a date.
I'm looking.
This is dinner. This is entertainment all in one. So it's a win-win. If you want to take a woman out on a date, a Nigerian woman, any woman, this is a win-win situation because you're getting everything in one. Comedy, dance, vocals. I might sing a tune or two. But seriously, I really feel like y'all should take advantage. But what do you think as far as like if somebody asked you on a date to the gala, would you go?
I mean, first you got to meet the high requirement. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey.
I'm just kidding.
No, seriously. High requirement is necessary.
I'm already short, okay, so I can't really just say that. But in all, outside of the craziness of funny, if someone asks me on a date, like, first off, you need to come correct, okay? And you need to be intentional. And when I say intentional, you need to make sure that what you're saying makes sense and why.
Hi, guys.
And
eBay, tall enough. She's like 5'3".
5'3", really?
Okay,
what did I stand up?
Okay, she's 5'6". She's
5'6".
She's beautiful. She's a full package. So at least be reasonable. Like we don't want to wear kitten heels our whole life. Okay, so just close in her height range. She doesn't have to be 6'6" out here, catching alleys. But
with heels,
we ladies, if height matters, give him your height with heels. Me, I'm tall. If a guy asks me how tall I am, I'm 6'4" because you can't take no L's. Look, tall people only.
I'm sure.
But if height matters, do not talk to someone that's taller than you. Play it safe. If you want to walk around
play
with
everything
flats
safe
and kitten heels, do you, boo? But I'm not out here to live that suffering life.
No,
but
I mean, anyway, it's just intentions. Like if you.
What do you mean? What do you mean by being intentional? Because I could intentionally be wasting your time.
You better not intentionally waste my time because I ain't got time. But what I mean for me specifically is if you approach me talking about, hey, I want to get to know you. Obviously, we know the game. People want to get to know you, but we'll take it from there. Okay. But just be yourself. Don't try to do extra. Just be humble. You're gonna be okay with
funny.
Yes, you have to be funny because I'm really goofy and I don't know. I'm all over the place. I'm very random, but I'm not gonna get out all those secrets. You're gonna have to figure that out.
Slide in her DMs and ask her on a date to the
gala.
No,
Sly said in here that he's been asking me since last year. Whatever, bye.
No, I'm telling y'all, get with Fab, and she will get you all the gala information. Actually, yeah, Fab will do it. And you might land you a date. Like, I'm telling y'all, shoot from half court, You might win a date. You might win a date with
Why is she selling my market? But anyway, it's all good. But definitely, you guys, like I said before, for those of you who join in, definitely do not forget to buy your ticket. Go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com. Like we said, the whole weekend is going to be a weekend lineup of fun, entertainment, lineup package. So definitely.
Speaking of entertainment, what are you looking forward to?
For me, I'm looking forward to be dancing. I'm sorry, I'm looking forward to dance.
Hit the little.
I can't show y'all everything, but I'm looking forward to dancing. Not even just dancing, networking, meeting people. Once again, trying to get married, baby. I can't get married in no gala, honey. What you talking about?
There's decorations. You have entertainment.
The fashion show. I'm definitely looking forward to the fashion. I'm definitely looking forward to people just coming to kill the game. I'm looking forward to the men. Making sure y'all got some tailored outfits, please.
Guys, make sure the pants are tailored properly. We know really good tailors. Really good tailors. Here goes our friend, Urban Attires. Hey. Yeah, he's a really good tailor. Y'all hit these people up. If y'all need information with tailors, slide in Fab's DMs. You know, you can message me.
What?
I'm just saying, you guys can message me about any gala questions. I would definitely help y'all out. But seriously, guys, the Michael Jordan pants are no longer in style. The baggy
sagging berry from all that Keenan and Kel era.
Oh, this name is hilarious. Okay, Big Daddy. He said, give us tips on how to break people's necks.
Hey!
Okay, first of all, ladies, how to break people's necks. Hair has to be laid and slayed. If you don't have any edges, sis, the advice is pull them down, swipe, swipe, swipe. They'll never know.
Okay.
Hair, jewelry, accessories, dresses. Just stick to your style, but it also has to do with a lot with confidence. You can wear a simple dress and be confident and be the baddest person in the building. It all.
I had to sip my tea. You want your tea, girl? Go ahead and get this tea in here.
Girl, this is good. It's a little tart, but no, it'll work. No, but seriously, ladies, be confident in anything you do. Be approachable. If you want somebody to shoot that shot, be approachable. Look cute. Sit up. Sit up. Don't have bad posture. Nobody want nobody to look sloppy. Guys, I feel like a lot of guys have stepped up their game as far as fashion.
Yes.
They've done a great job. Go for a bold color. Do a cute design. Switch it up a little bit.
Okay.
Like, we're not
Like we switch our wigs.
We're not in our dad and uncle's era. Switch it up a little bit. I already know the guys are gonna bring the heat. Ladies, if you want to make this event interesting, turn it up a notch. Show a little thigh with a little split.
Because I am, honey.
Yeah, be bold with your colors. But I personally think that fashion has a lot to do with confidence. Because you can wear a brown paper bag and be like, oh, dang, where'd she get that brown paper bag? People be lying anyway. If you ask somebody where they bought something, they going to say, oh, yeah, I bought this for $1,000. Anyways.
$1,000?
But
you
know.
$10? But okay.
Yeah, this girl is crazy. Ladies, I do not recommend you to switch your wigs at the gala. This girl talking about switching up wigs. I do recommend you to secure the wig.
Because it's secure, baby.
Secure the wig. But I do not recommend you switching up the wigs at the gala. It would kind of freak me out as a woman. And, I would be freaked out too. But, heels too. Make sure your nails are done. Toenails. You'll be surprised who pays attention to chipped toenails. So, makeup.
Yes.
Like makeup. I know some really good makeup artists. So, hit me up if you would like somebody else to do your makeup.
Yeah, so speaking of that, even with makeup artists, like, please, ladies, I know some of us think that, we can do our makeup on that day.
No.
And we really think that, we got, the best skin tone and foundation. I mean, if you need some tips or you just need somebody on that day to help you out,
don't call me,
girl.
I'm not the homegirl because your eyebrows.
No, your homegirl, your friends should always look out for one another because that's just once again like the whole aspect of the gala weekend is just for people to come out, meet each other, and have a good time and take pictures and enjoy. So
She said, bring your production team, makeup artists, lighting.
Yes, sis.
Yes, highlight needs to be popping,
Contour if you can contour.
Yes.
But, look out for your friends.
Absolutely.
So, do any of you guys, is there any questions that y'all have or y'all are still trying to figure out about our gala weekend? Definitely drop it here. We want to hear what you got to say. We just definitely want to come out here and just talk to you guys, see what you guys are looking forward to as well, because it's not just about us providing the service. We want to also make sure that you are comfortable and you feel like you've been informed, given enough information. Also, don't forget, if you are a business owner and you want to place an ad or just donate to our organization, you can definitely visit our website at www.uiuhouston.com. Also, if you want to specifically go to our ticket site, definitely go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com. And you can also fill out for a vendor table. We're still taking vendors till the end of this month on September 30th, which is the deadline. You can definitely reach out to any one of our executive board members of Uiuh Houston if you follow our page on Facebook, Instagram, and definitely be a part. And we want everyone, no matter what walks of life you come from. This is not yes, it's an Igbo function. It is going to be catered to the Igbo tribe. But if you're from Ghana, you're from Kenya, if you're Caucasian,
yellow, purple, green, gray,
we want you to come and enjoy our cultural extravaganza weekend, period. From the week, from Friday till Sunday, or till Monday, Tuesday, whenever you leave, whenever it's best for you to go back to your respective places.
The thought of this gala made me really hungry. And the food last year was amazing. The food was really, really, really good.
Right.
It was really good.
So, so what are you thinking to eat? Because, you more of a foodie than me, because, I don't eat. I'll be wasting my food.
I'm going to eat anything they put on my plate. As long as I have plantain, I'll be happy. I'll be happy.
So, basically, like I said before, you were asking about the lineup. So, basically, we're going to have cultural dance. We're going to have a fashion show, both women and men. We're definitely going to have people singing. We're definitely going to have a live band. We're going to have a spoken word. So, those are just some of the masquerade. Y'all love pretty much everything that encompasses a cultural experience. You're going to get it and more. And then, obviously, at any event you go to, you also have a red carpet. We're going to have a red carpet affair. So definitely come to kill, because pictures will be taken.
Any suggestions on where I can get a gala dress? You should definitely message me. I have some really good tailors. And if you would just like to buy a cute dress, message me. I definitely am the plug.
Right.
If you want a cute dress, it doesn't have to be anything super expensive. If you want to stay in your butt, I got you.
So I'm seeing some questions here. I need it by day right from Friday. We need to know where to be. Okay, so basically Friday, when y'all come in, we about to meet at H2O.
We're gonna be lit the whole weekend.
Okay.
Are there any other events with Uiuh Houston that is happening on Friday and Saturday? We're having events from Friday all the way to Sunday. If you want to turn up with us on Monday, we might make that exception. But Friday to Sunday, full out weekend.
So we're having a mixer weekend. Then we're gonna have the after party at a lounge that's here in Houston. And if you follow some of us on our page, you probably
definitely a live band. Guys, if you don't know, we don't sleep in Houston at all. So that weekend is going to be pure madness. We don't sleep. I ain't gonna lie, I take a nap every now and then, but
I don't sleep.
But I will not be sleeping that weekend, because I know I don't want to miss out on anything. Last year was dope. I
didn't sleep.
It was dope.
I never sleep anyway.
I did not go to sleep.
So so from last year, what did you like about last year that had you so excited about?
When I walked in that venue, right, I was shook. I really was. I was like, what in the... I was really impressed. And it's not because I'm a Uiuh Houston member. I was a Uiuh Houston member, and I was shook. Decor was nice, setup was nice. We had the little background elevator music playing. It was really dope. I felt, I don't know, I felt like I was that, can't cuss on here, but I really did. The red carpet, I walked in, I was feeling myself a little bit. My bundles was laid, throw it over my shoulder. It was the red carpet was definitely a game changer for me. And I also got to do an interview, so that was nice. We're going to be doing interviews, aren't we?
Yeah, we're definitely doing interviews during the red carpet, which is from 6 to 7. So definitely we want you to show up on time so that during that hour, that cocktail hour, you are definitely being captured. You are in your best outfit. And also, you know, by the way, if you have a group of friends, y'all need to get a table because let me tell you something. The table comes with drink. So if y'all about that Henny life or Remy Martin,
Africans love Remy.
get your group of friends. Get yourself.
I'm not gonna lie, Henny and Remy do get the job done. Like the last time I drank Remy, I was just cheesing. I don't even know I was happy, but I was happy.
Right.
So yeah, go ahead and do that. What do you think about as far as like the table and the VIP service?
Oh, definitely. Like,
what's the table number? How many people can be at a table in order for them to do the VIP?
So basically, for the VIP section, you definitely need a group of 10 friends.
Okay.
VIP obviously is going to be closer to the front, and it's just because of the service they pay for. So if you gather your friends and or all your people, you definitely will be in the forefront, you know, because you get to see live action right then and there. So gather your friends, get yourself a table. Like I said, go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com and just look at, you know, what ticket service is best for you. So,
yeah, that works. It would be cheaper to do it like that, and you have something to sip on other than, you know, the regular drink. So I would definitely go. We have at least, come on now. Everybody has at least 10 friends.
Girl, look who just came in, girl. Move over, girl.
I can get like a bar stool behind y'all. Let's go. It's too close for me. I don't like people like that.
Okay. So guys, we have somebody trying to come on. Okay, let's see. Let's see who this is. Oh, it's Ike. Ike wants to come on. Let me add him. To get on. Oh, we know you're part of the media team. I mean, but
what's up, y'all? Hey, so I'm chilling with. Let's. We are done with it.
Oh, so you're with the media team. Okay, so what's up, media team?
Hey, we just want to say hi. That's it.
But y'all sitting sideways.
Let's
Y'all sitting sideways. Okay, that works. Bring it back in. Okay. So what's popping? Y'all coming up? What's going on?
We just want to say hi. That's it. We just want, okay, no, actually, okay. So I have a question. All right. So if I wanted to ask a girl out, but I don't know if she likes me.
Okay.
Like, how do I find out? How do I speak to her?
You're not sure if she likes you.
I'm not sure she likes me.
Honestly, you will never know you won't really know if anyone likes you. And if you're gonna wait for someone to like you before you shoot your shot, someone else is going to scoop her up. So, you know, engage in conversation with her, have a good conversation with her. She might end up liking you after the conversation.
Okay. Quick question. Does this girl know that you're interested in her, or have you given her any hints, like give her any eye contact? Did you wink at her?
I mean, I've done.
For your ebo, women, thank you, Ijama. Women love confidence. Women love confidence.
Even if you are, even if you think you're a geek or something. Okay. I mean, we do love the geeks. Okay. You got the bread, because I love you some bread.
Are we talking about African bread or
Baby, you can give me a gecko bread. I don't care what bread, wheat bread, oat bread.
So basically, just
100% of the shots you don't make. If you're not gonna shoot, get on the bench. Cause if you like her, go for it. What's the worst that can happen?
Right.
Life is short, you know.
So Lucci, what did you have to say about what he has to say?
Honestly, I feel like what's the worst that could happen? And there's really no time will go and leave you behind. And somebody else will come and take her.
They'll come and scoop her.
All right.
Devontae will come and take your wife, and you're there just sitting there.
It's pretty it's you actually that I'm trying to come after. So,
Who?
oh, no.
Wait.
He said it's actually
Okay.
bad.
No, hey, good advice, though. Good advice.
That was cute. Don't worry. I'm a DM you her number.
Wait.
And then y'all can go out on a date.
No, no, no.
Y'all gonna take me to 48 State? You know,
I know.
I think Mizochi's gonna take you.
Gucci.
I got your ticket already.
Yeah, I got mine too.
Oh, okay, fast, fast,
eBay said he's looking forward to you
fast.
dancing.
Mizochi said you look good when he saw you.
oh, thank you. Like, kind of like,
I said you look great, but you know.
oh, guys.
All right, we're good.
Tell you guys, guess who is coming to our Gala? All the way from ATL, DJ Show in the building. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm acting kind of crazy. But
I mean, he is dope though.
yeah, you know,
He is dope.
not only that,
He is
DJ
worth the
Show-
hype. He's worth the
He
hype.
is. DJ Show is being like, he has been with us since our first gala, 2017. And when his name speaks for, anyway, I'm gonna let y'all see it when he comes.
DJ Show will put on his show.
He's going to put on a show. Okay, and it's gonna be ATL versus Houston. No, I'm just kidding.
We
I'm
know.
sorry, I
We
had a flashback of
know.
Minnesota.
We know.
Sorry, I had a flashback. And oh yeah, another hype MC. We got our MC all the way from Boston. We got Prince Kalu coming in the building. Y'all
He is
already know
funny.
he about to shut it down. So y'all
He
better,
is fun.
guys, y'all better,
He is funny.
y'all better get ready. Get ready. And oh yeah, y'all from Abia? Any Abia State people in here?
Crickets. It's okay.
Well, anyway, okay. So
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm actually excited. I really am. I think the DJ
yeah.
and the MC are a great addition.
Right.
I really
And
do.
not only that, we're just gonna be air shot. Okay, what's
Oh,
up,
there you
Phil?
go.
Okay, Gladdy Cakes. Oh, I remember meeting you last year in ATL, baby. What's up, girl?
Is that where eBay is from?
No, you been not from there.
Oh, they're here.
Okay.
Okay.
ATL,
People
okay,
are
Diane, I see you, girl. I see
Phil.
you rapping. You know, say she got her,
Get
got
your
your Jesus
sandals.
shoes. 'Cause you, baby, you think I'm gonna get your shoes, baby, because Jesus is waiting, okay?
Oh my God.
And the disciples wait for you too.
Oh my God.
That's what eBay said. Abba. Oh, I already know you're from Abba.
That is
I
so
can
funny.
tell.
That is so funny.
Anambra in the building.
Oh yeah, where are y'all from? Tell us where y'all are from.
Okay, where's all my Emo State people at? Because I mean, y'all really like,
oh, Emo State, stand up.
baby, let me stand up so y'all can see my height.
Guys, I feel like it's too many emo people. I'm starting. Y'all gonna have to simmer down now. Y'all, I feel claustrophobic. Y'all are everywhere.
Well,
Like, it's like y'all are giving birth in 10. It's too many.
all right, Emo State people, we got to represent.
Hey, Priscilla.
United States of Anambra.
You're
Yoruba
in
in the building. You're
Really,
not
kind
Yoruba.
of? Really, kind of? Really? Don't. No, I mean, not to say that Yoruba people can't come, because I mean,
Oh,
we,
I love my best friends are Yoruba.
And you know what?
They're coming.
our culture is so mixed and blended. So, I mean, people love Nigerians, guys. Like, come on now. Like, we are one of the best African tribe around. Like, come on.
Absolutely. And I'm not just saying that because I'm from there. I'm not biased.
But where are you from, though?
I'm from Enugu.
Let's see who's up to be. Okay. Never mind.
Okay, Delta. Oh, yay, we have multiple Deltas.
Okay, Delta people. How are
Welcome.
you?
I love to see Delta people. Where is it, Bear? She's going to see
Y'all come
Delta
to the Gala,
person. First of all, who bought your ticket? Like, if I don't get that I need to see some notifications coming to my phone. And I'm not talking about this
How some
spam.
people
I'm not
here?
talking about the spam mail on Instagram. I need like notifications, ticket purchases.
So, okay, let's pick that.
How some people are here.
So, like, once again, guys, if you're just tuning in right now, like I said, my name is Fab or Uche, whatever. Y'all call me whatever. And then we
Okay,
have
whatever.
Really We definitely have a Desi here. And then we also have a Lucci.
Our dance queen, Lucci, the dancer. Hottest thing around. Oh, don't you make wigs too, right?
Come on.
Girl, let them know.
Girl, you better not be okay.
Oh, she's not.
So, guys, I'm going to brag on Lucci a little bit because, you know, I'm loud, I'm extra. But basically, a Lucci is a hair girl.
Jack of all trades.
She gonna have your head. Okay. Your
Wigs,
edges.
We
Your
talking
edges.
No, like literally coming from the scalp,
Makeup, everything. I mean, come
There's
on.
some
Shout
bald
out
guys.
to
No, do you do toupees for men? Because there's some men on here, you know. Y'all
want a lace front beard?
Oh yes, that is a great investment.
She gonna get you right.
Man, if you feel like your beard is a little patchy, you know, you don't want to get that little spray line that y'all get on your little.
Okay,
you know, Lucci, she got
don't
you.
buy that $3.99 can at the free. Anyway, okay, let me let Lucci talk. They tell me I'm talking too much. Lucci, come on, talk, girl. Talk, baby girl.
All I'm saying is for the gala, you don't want to be looking crazy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you should come through. Let me hook you up. You know
Please.
what I'm saying? Like,
Please.
Matter of fact, we might have a discount.
Discount. Ooh,
Yeah,
yeah.
discount.
Oh, we love discount.
Baby, I can
There's
look.
no excuse for you to be looking crazy at the gala.
Y'all,
There's no excuse
discounts,
whatsoever.
all caps.
Y'all better go to her page, Lucci Bay, and go book your hair service. Now we 3 weeks away. Well, in fact, today is what, the 12th? Baby, we 30 days away. Oh Lord.
Today is the 12th. And tickets are actually selling really fast. If you want to get left out of something great, you're on your own.
Oh, okay, Sam, you want to come on? Okay.
Sammy.
All right, Sammy. Let me add you on here real quick.
I'm sorry. What is wrong with this girl? Oh my God.
Okay.
Lucci definitely does speak. Tickets are, what are the ticket prices? Oh, hey,
Hello.
Sammy.
Go to www. Hey, Sammy.
Hi.
Hey.
I see your beard.
Okay, your eyebrow game is a little fire. Like,
Wow.
you look nice.
Okay, I see you.
Okay, what's up? What are we talking? Oh, do you do fades? Do you do fades? Is fades part of your
I mean, like, look, I look it up. That's all I'm gonna say. I look it up.
Okay.
Look, if you want to go bald, I'm your girl. If you want,
I don't trust you. First of all, I don't trust you. Nah.
if you want the Chris daddy, she's still your girl. You know, all hair roads lead to Lucci.
If you need a side fade, go ahead and call Lucci, okay?
Okay. I'll be there when I get back. I promise.
In a lace front.
Me and Sam this is my boyfriend.
Really? Oh, guys, did y'all watch that promo video? Because, baby, I was like, what is going on?
Oh, they were semi-sparks.
You have to come to the gala to see what happens
You
after.
definitely have to come to the gala.
And by the way,
You know?
Sammy, are you going to be there?
Yes.
Ready to mingle?
Yes.
I mean, if I have permission, and my girlfriend's sitting right there watching, so I mean, I got permission to dance. I dance with she at. Right there. Yeah.
Okay, I had to look because I was
Right.
like, yeah, no.
Don't worry. You know, after the 12th, our, girlfriend, boyfriend, October 12th.
Because it's going to
Okay.
be cuffing season in the next 30 days.
Our relationship expires if they don't come to the 12th. They don't know
This
what
is true.
happened. To be continued is voided. Sly, you want to know what happened? October 12th. We will give you that very
Right. Sly, be there if you want to know what happened.
He wants to know the tea.
Are
Are
the
the ladies single? Which ladies?
Which ones are you talking
Are they single girls? Yes, everywhere. Everywhere.
At the gala, of course. The women
Yes.
are single. You would know if she's married. Trust me.
I
If
mean-
she doesn't smile back, either she doesn't want you or she's married. Guys, free game.
Or
Okay.
maybe she doesn't. Or
Get
maybe
the
she doesn't
clues.
like to smile. Like that's an option too.
Well, I mean, no. I've never met a woman intrigued by you and isn't smiling. I'm sorry. You're going to see all my teeth.
Because, during the auction early this year, it was people inquiring. But anyway.
Nah, but then again, though, like some girls do shock our eye. Like, not everybody's gonna be like, like.
Oh, yeah.
True.
Like, oh, hey, guys, my name is No, that's really weird. Some guys do expect women to be smiling right off the bat. Like,
Okay, are they ready for marriage? Oh, yes.
It's-
Are they ready? Well, I mean, are you ready for marriage? Who's asking? Who's this?
who is
I
that?
want fix.
Vix, are you ready to be married?
There are
Baby,
Jay,
there
there
are
are a lot of
single
single
guys.
guys. There are a lot of single guys. Look how handsome Sam is.
They single like a $1 bill, honey.
There are single.
Oh, single like Pringle.
Nigerian men be having secret families.
Hey.
Ah. Oh yeah, we are shaking tables tonight. What we are doing? Yeah, we are here shaking
Okay,
tables.
guys,
Okay.
you know how like people are addicted to things. You know, like I love sweet tea. You know, they're addicted to making multiple families. Like
No, that's crazy though. That's
it
actually
is.
crazy.
It's actually
Let's be
it's
honest.
scary, but we don't have men like that at the gala. You know, we have guys that stick to one woman. Look
Yeah.
at these beautiful women. Why would you want multiple
I'm married, I'm
women?
just kidding.
Look at
Right.
these. Who are you married to?
No, I'm just kidding. Somebody
She's single.
She said single, but their ring fingers are changing
Keep your eyes
colors.
open at the gala.
I like the one behind with braids.
Like
How
one
much
more
is
with
bride
how much
price?
is bride price? Oh,
Yes, the guy.
oh yeah, oh Lucci.
He said he likes you.
Ah,
Yeah, come by me.
The quickest way to
Come
get
back
an
and
Igbo woman's attention, you definitely have to patronize her business. You know, when those notifications come through, we know you're serious, and we mean the ones with the dollar sign in front of them.
Okay, call cash app.
Patronize her business, and she will know that you're serious.
Yeah.
I promise.
That.
That
Thank you.
oh my God.
For the guy that just asked about Alucci, where are you?
we're waiting on that notification. You
Like,
know,
because we wait for that cash before we hand that over to you.
y'all. Her love is real sweet, so it ain't cheap.
Okay, is that sweet as he sound? No. This sounds.
All right, ladies, it's been real, but I gotta go. Thank
Igbo
you,
women
guys.
in deposits.
Sylvester,
Hand over your cash.
Sylvester, come on, married now. What are you doing, Sylvester? Come
A
on,
good woman
a
doesn't
woman doesn't fall in
love for money. We're just joking,
We're just
okay?
joking.
Right, don't take us serious.
Igbo woman falls in love with the man with the sense of humor.
Anytime, cash up.
And we don't.
Now, what's your problem? Like, did somebody hurt you?
Okay.
Who hurt you?
Aww.
What's going on? It's okay.
She's gonna be okay.
Don't worry.
All right, ladies, it's
Bye.
bye.
Cause Sylvester, every time cash.
That's a comment. Join
What
this
do you
live.
want it to be? Zell? What do you
Hold on. What do we do?
It's better.
Eric Adogu.
Eric.
Oh my gosh.
Adogu.
Oh,
What's going on here?
Hello, Emmanuel.
Hello, Emmanuel King 86.
Hey,
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
good morning. Good morning. How are you going there?
I'm fine.
Ah,
Back up a little bit though. Your head is like.
I know my head is very big and
Massive.
everything in the
I
face.
have to do the Heisman on you.
Speaking of heads, my head looks smaller than normal, right? It
Okay,
got
let me-
smaller.
Girl,
Hold
let
on.
me see your forehead.
Let me
Girl, you don't have that 5-finger forehead, but
4.5.
go back. Well, you
I
know,
know.
as fans of you guys,
Did you get a haircut? Oh, okay. You know,
hey man, as
You know,
fans
you
of
know
you
when
guys,
when we get a haircut,
okay, let me make my points that you
Guys,
never know.
get a
Can
haircut.
I
I
speak?
better not be looking like
No,
this.
you know that.
Can I speak in peace?
And then again,
Huh?
about the hairline, though.
Go
About
ahead,
the
thank
Look
hairline,
at him. Look
like,
at him.
you're gonna sweat at the gala. Don't
Don't spray paint.
because you're gonna have black drips just dripping. Don't do it.
Don't spray
Be
paint
true
your
to yourself.
hairline.
Come as you are.
Come as you are.
Make
Your
sure
haircut
your
looks nice, man.
hairline don't start from back here.
It can start from back there as
If
long
it
as you get your
does,
gala
it's okay.
ticket. It can start
okay
from
if it
back
does.
here. It's okay.
Wait, hold on, stop there. Stop talking. What hairline? What happened to my hairline? Let me just
No,
go.
Not
Okay.
your hairline.
Okay, I was like, whoa.
No,
So
we're
what
talking
happened to my
about,
hairline?
like,
Let me get by week. You can buy. How much is the wig again, sir?
Yeah, he definitely
Oh,
just
we
got a
can get you
haircut.
like we'll get you maybe like a $50 wig, synthetic wig.
Yeah, I go buy wig. Well, anyways, I wanted to reach out to you guys to thank you guys for showcasing UIU Houston. You know, our very beautiful UIU Houston women, Frederica, Adeze, and Lucci. Thank you very much, ladies.
Thank
Y'all
you.
look very marvelous on Instagram Live. On behalf of myself and I, thank you very much. Hmm? So how much are these tickets? Oh, okay, no, seriously, how much are these tickets? Like, I wanna. People
What
are
is the
asking me
ticket
how
price?
much these tickets are. How much are they? I was told it was $80, and I thought I saw somewhere about the group. What is this deal about group prices? What is that about?
I mean, pretty much, like I said, all the details are there on www.uiuhoustongala.com. The
Mm-hmm.
group rate, everything, the ticket sales. We want everyone to go there and actually look at the actual different deals we have going
They
on.
call him head work.
And so I feel like once they go to the website, if they have any more questions, they can definitely email us at info@uiuhouston.com.
Yes.
Or they can visit our website, www.uiuhouston.com, select Gala. And
I have a big head though. Thank you very much.
He just want to show off this haircut. That's why, you know, when I get a haircut, they
You know what I'm
start
saying? Well. But anyway, I
Voice
appreciate
get
you
deeper.
guys. Thank you very much for the information, and I appreciate what you guys do. I'm new to Instagram, so
Welcome.
it's my first live video.
Welcome
Thank
to
you very
my-
much. Appreciate you guys, and keep up the good work.
all right, white tees, see you.
Thank you.
Peace. All
Now
right.
get off my Instagram, please.
They said head
Thank you.
Y'all.
Okay.
Do you know how to hang up?
Forehead got
Okay, so hold on. How do I even hang up, Seth?
Look at him.
Who said head? Who said head? What? Who is that person?
Y'all help him.
Back up.
I said Eric, back
your
up the camera.
forehead up first.
Okay, bye.
I'm sorry. I just had to.
Do you know how to get off?
Okay,
Oh.
great.
Someone said, hey,
Aw.
ladies. Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
5 tickets. 5 tickets would be $65 each. Absolutely. You get 5 people, $65. That's cheaper than $80.
Oh, we got another person trying to come on. Okay.
This girl's so animated.
Hello?
I'm gonna let him say his own name.
Hello? Is everybody okay?
Are we safe?
They're trying to speak English.
Sir, are you there?
Hello?
I see darkness.
Hello?
Sir?
It's me. Oh, an IG.
Okay, well, he left. So when he comes back, so it's all good.
A $15 discount is a big deal. I don't care if something was $1. I would definitely go for that.
Alucci, pin your IG.
Pin your IG, boo. Pin your IG, boo.
What Vince? Where are you based at? If you don't mind me
Are
asking.
you coming to the gala though?
Okay, because this is the only way you're gonna get her.
Jerry. Hey, Jerry.
Where's the 50% discount? Jerry, baby, you mean Christian Dior?
Oh yeah. Jerry.
Christian Dior. What's going on?
I'm really. We should be honored. Jerry is watching us on live. Jerry's a big deal, you know. Oh, Jerry also, you know, is participating in the sickle cell walk.
Oh yeah, that's tomorrow.
Saturday.
I'm sorry,
September 14th.
Saturday.
Yeah, it'll be September 14th. So that's a really dope event. We have a lot of active members that will be at this gala. So should definitely, you know, we show you love, you show us love in return. He's based in Toronto. How do I support your show?
Most definitely go to www.uiuhouston.com to definitely support, or you can go to our on Eventbrite, www.uiuhoustongala.com, And there will be an option for sponsorship and donations to our organization if you can't physically make it out to our gala. We'll be very, very appreciative of any donations towards our gala.
Absolutely. Anything matters.
So,
Anything matters.
but if you definitely, trying to get a girl, you're gonna have to pay something. But anyway,
You crazy. Just get your gala ticket. She will be there. You come all the way from Toronto. We love people from Toronto.
yeah.
So,
We love everybody from not just domestically, even outside of here, internationally. If you're coming, definitely like we said before, and we keep reiterating, come out. So guys, okay, so I know we were talking about different topics about the gala and getting ready for the gala. Like Lucci, what is something that you're looking forward to this year for our gala? Like, what are you interested in seeing, and what is getting you pumped up about the gala?
Okay, so this is my first time at the gala, and first of all, I'm looking forward to the food.
Food. Like, no, the food is really good.
I mean, cause like if you're gonna come to like a bomb gathering, like it's only like the best if you eat good food.
Right.
So I'm looking forward to the food, but then again, I'm looking forward to like the performances.
Absolutely.
And the dances are gonna
Shoulders.
happen. Oh my
Hit them with the shoulders. Okay.
Let it.
But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to see how everybody like dresses up.
Mm-hmm. So okay,
Except
so
Sylvester. Please calm down.
like as
Hey,
far as
Lena.
like what do you think are some like dues that people should keep in mind about coming to our gala? What are tips that you would give somebody, even though it's your first time, but if you're going to a cultural gala, what comes to your mind? What are the preparatory stuff that you want to do, or that you would tell somebody to get ready?
Okay. I'll say like dressing wise.
Mm-hmm. Dressing,
Okay.
your girls, gathering your girls, your group of friends. How y'all prep?
I think it'll be fun if you and like, a group get together before the gala, so y'all dress up together. Listen to some like Afro beats, African music. You know what I'm saying?
What's your favorite song right now? Play it. Let's listen to it.
I don't want to play mine because I'm like, dude.
We know what you're gonna play. We know. Oh yeah, y'all, please practice y'all's dance moves. Me personally, I'll just be watching because
no.
y'all, like the way these people have took this Zanku to a whole nother level. I just
practice your Zanku, guys. Like practice. Big body, finish them, okay?
like.
Do you think you can show them a sample of what they need to be
Would
doing?
you like to?
Y'all want me to?
Of course.
Oh,
Yes.
we're about to give y'all a little preview of what we do in H-Town.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what song y'all want to use. I don't know.
Let me see.
I pick a song. I don't know.
Okay. Killing Them by Burna Boy. Y'all know Burna Boy just came to Houston and shut it.
Yes, Amarachi said, get your knees in shape. We're from Houston, Texas.
These
So-
naked stallions. Well, I ain't no stallion, I'm a pony.
Oh, okay. That was smooth. Guys, Jerry, I can't dance. So when Zanku comes on, don't worry, I'll be fake tap dancing.
First of all, she can dance. Okay.
Baby, let me make sure my wig
So,
on.
ain't no fast. She can dance. Don't let her like you.
I'm lying.
The Holy Ghost dance is coming over me, y'all.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
about to lose it. Okay.
Okay, let's go over 3 moves. I feel like everybody should
Yeah.
come ready with.
Okay.
Right?
What 3 moves?
So definitely Zanku.
Zanku.
Zanku for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I think another is some kind of traditional Igbo, move like ogene,
Like ogene, okay.
or uku manyo with it. You know what I'm saying? Come on, you
Yeah.
give them. And then maybe the third, basic shaku.
Yeah.
Basic like shaku. At least you can just bring the back smooth.
And hit him with the whoa.
Girl,
And then
this.
Okay, my wig.
Jig, y'all. You gotta jig.
No. Oh, we're from Houston. You know we jig. So even if you don't know how to jig, just do something crazy. It's gonna look like you know how to jig, okay?
And then swagger.
Oh, we
Like I
definitely
get it.
swag, sir.
We sound like what?
Why do you ladies sound like African Americans? Sorry.
I'm kind of about some problem.
Yeah. eBay, you want trap music?
Oh, we gonna bring the trap, and we gonna trap all of y'all in that room too. I'm just kidding. We ain't gonna trap y'all.
Girl, I'm not part of this trap movement.
That's usually what people sit in the back.
Okay, trap.
I'm trapping somebody that anyway.
Oh, he said just bob and shoulder lean.
How do you do that?
You want to come on and show us?
Jerry, please show us how to just bob and shoulder lean. We're not hip.
Okay.
Oh, there he go. There go your Igbo man, girl. He's
Somebody said make it ghetto, please.
Make it ghetto.
I'm
Do we
sorry.
Look, do we look ghetto?
We're not trying to just, you know.
I couldn't even if I tried.
Look, make sure y'all come to our gala venue, the Bayou Event Center that's in Houston, Texas. For those of you who are from Houston, Texas, this venue is going to be, anyway, I'm not going to spoil it. I'm just going to wait till you guys step in there and you're just in awe. Like, definitely, like we keep saying, guys, we keep reiterating it. Definitely go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com. Get your tickets while we're here. Guys, we are trying to, we want you guys in there. We want y'all to have a good time. We had, like I said before, we have Prince Kalu from Boston who is coming in. He's going to be our MC. He's on fire. Guys, you guys are going to be energized. Not only that, we have from the South, we have DJ Shaw in the building. Y'all think we about to be jigging. But anyway, I'm being extra.
No, she's not being extra. This is the energy that we will have the entire day. This is the energy. Tempo is up there. We're being mild today because we're only giving y'all a little, preludes. We got to plant our seed, and the flower will be grown.
Seed? Or somebody come and pluck the flower.
Raising money so we can afford. Oh, raising money so you can afford these Igbo babies.
Asked what's the purpose of the gala, so I think that's what Jerry said as a response.
I mean, the purpose of the gala, like you said, Uiuh Unite is basically an organization where we are trying to unite all Igbos from the diaspora and beyond here. And so the gala is another way for us to come together, enjoy a culture extravaganza with music, art, celebrating our excellence. There is going to be an award ceremony. So we want to pretty much appreciate everybody's hard work from community service, what we stand for.
Absolutely.
The professional development, and then also our social events, which tie into keeping our culture together. And not only keeping our culture together, we're trying to continue our legacy, not just for us, but also for our children, our future, and so on. Yeah. So this is just a way for all of us to unite, have a good time, enjoy each other, meet people, might meet your husband, might meet your wife. I mean, you don't know. You might have your kid that same day.
Damn.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay, it's Drake coming. It's Drake coming to this gala. My nickname is Drake, so I'll definitely be there.
Wild. No, honestly, guys, come to the gala because when I came to the first UIU meeting, I thought I knew all the Igbos in Houston. Mm-hmm. Bro, I did not know one person in that meeting. So that tells you there are a lot of people in this Houston and diaspora that you actually don't know. So you come to the gala, you meet new people, you network. There are gonna be vendors there too. Find out what other people are doing around.
Food. There's really good food.
Not only that, it's a way for y'all to connect with other people that you might have never crossed paths with, or maybe you did cross paths with them but didn't know them. And that's another thing that we strive for, especially with our chapter, UIU Houston. I think we've done a great job, as y'all know, we were chapter of the year this year, 2019 in Minnesota. H-Town, stand up. Come on in. So we basically have been on it when it comes to our members and letting our members have a voice. And we stand for that. And not only that, we want people to be connected. There should be no reason why a group of highly professional Igbos, Nigerians, Africans are not coming together to help each other. It's just no reason why. Come on now.
America. Nobody's going to say.
You are now live. Thanks, guys, for tuning into our YouTube.
I'm just getting a black screen.
Really?
Maybe it's just
Oh, wow. It's progress. Because we were really, I was
Oh, here we
really.
go.
Do y'all hear us now?
Let us know if y'all can hear us.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, awesome. Oh, I see pederology. Hey, my soul. Oh, my bad.
Is that Di?
This
Is
girl.
that a cute tea? That's Di.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Hey, Liv, I know you joined us, girl. Send us a request, girl. Let me wave at you.
Hey, Queen.
Wave at everybody. You can hear us? Do you people want granola?
Where's the banana?
Girl, you gonna scare these people off with the BBT. Oh my gosh. Girl, don't advertise them not for free.
Not for free. We won't do nothing for around here.
They the
You
roasted
gotta
one.
hold them like this. We do not have rights to these peanuts.
I love me some peanuts.
Girl, cause you know I be knocking you out of stuff. We do not have the rights to these peanuts.
I can hear you again. Hey, Liv. Uga, why are you laughing so hard?
He's so silly. Oh my
Hey,
God.
Internet girl.
I
Hey,
can hear him
Carol.
laughing. He's
Oh,
so
man, I
silly.
got a southern... Man, my draw.
Yeah, you definitely sound
Country.
yeah, you definitely sound like you're from Port Arthur.
I'm not from them Port Arthur, Texas, y'all.
Okay, Orange.
Orange.
Whatever.
I ain't from Orange, girl.
Hi guys. Hey, Jadeka.
Liv, join. Okay. So what were we talking about, ladies? When we had a little break.
I don't know.
Other than the groundnuts.
We were talking about what were we talking about the game?
We're talking about the gala.
Definitely, it was definitely the gala.
We're talking about dance moves.
The dance.
Yes. We were talking about dancing.
Yes.
And then we need to talk about
Thanks,
the guy.
fam. Speaking of dancers. Speaking of dancers.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Wait, Peter comes to gala?
Peter's definitely coming. You know he coming.
Oh,
He comes
Peter!
every year.
That's my
y'all.
that's my
He
brother,
is one
but
of
you know,
Houston's
he's still
best-
fine, and
one
he
of
got a
Houston's
full
best
beard.
Let me tell y'all, okay? All right? Peter was recently on the Shade Room, guys.
He's a great dancer.
And, you know, it was like 4 teachers, and he's a principal,
Yes,
y'all, okay?
principal.
A bomb dancer.
With some white Colgate
Handsome.
teeth
Y'all.
together.
Like, come on, come to the gala just to see him.
He's
That's
chocolate
true.
and he got a full beard. Y'all tripping.
That's true. He's Evo, you know.
He's Evo.
You can't go wrong
And
with
he speaks
Evo.
Igbo and he speaks Spanish. Que pasó?
Come
He
on.
need to speak Spanish back to me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm selling his market. He's singing too.
Okay.
Where that's
But,
for a wife or north. He was fighting wife
He
at
was
that
mine.
gala.
He said, y'all stupid. I can see him saying it.
Blood.
He wants
Okay,
mine.
y'all. Come to the gala.
Well, he has selling your market. They're telling us we're stupid.
Please, if you want to sell your market, just DM us right now.
Okay? Pay us
Promo.
first. Cash out.
Promo sales from
Oh, by the way, if you guys are interested in somebody and you want us to hook y'all up, baby, pay us for the service.
Actually,
And we'll-
let's pay us some gala tickets.
We'll take that.
No,
true.
because then we get to meet you. You get to interact with us. It's a win-win. So whenever we're like, okay, well, this person is a really nice person, you know, face to name.
Mm-hmm.
And then boom, and then when y'all get married, invite us to the wedding. You know, simple.
Put on the high table.
Yes, high table thing.
Please. And make sure y'all have the right, dance
DJ.
moves. Yes, and DJ.
Girl, y'all know I've been working on my,
Shaku.
I
EvoPeopleMeet.com. Makagini. Why should we go there?
No, we're not doing
Look,
that.
no.
Emo people meet
No.
at UIUHoustonGala.com.
And they meet with the tickets, okay, and the table with the Henny. Because you can do anything at the gala.
Oh,
okay?
I definitely have a don't that people should do for this year's gala: do not, don't buy your ticket last minute. That's not.
Don't call me at 4 a.m. in the morning asking for a ticket. No, I'm just kidding.
It's like every year we have this event. You know, we have people getting tickets early, and then you have a rush of people trying to get tickets last minute, and it's pretty. Me personally, secure the ticket early.
Secure the bag early.
That too, you know, that's kind of like a package deal.
Secure the bag too.
Yeah, just secure your ticket early. You don't have anything to worry about. All you have to do is worry about hitting up your tailor. Y'all know tailors be trying to remix outfits,
Especially African tailors.
So get your ticket early. Get your outfit made early. So you are not on things like the Shade Room for getting a completely different outfit with your off the shoulder dress, you know, coming off the elbow.
It's just exposing
You
yourself.
don't want that to be.
You know, you want to look nice, you know, clavicle game strong. Get you a little
Strong,
nice
white,
off the shoulder,
white.
you know, crisp.
Come on.
You know, you have to look nice. You want to look nice.
Makeup need to be on point.
And guys,
Beard got to be on point.
don't worry
Edge
about
up.
parking. There's more than enough parking, but it's African time is a no. We are not on eBay time.
Okay.
No African time.
Shady.
eBay said that it was okay. eBay said that it was okay to come late. It's not. It's not okay.
Don't listen to him.
You're
I
gonna
don't know
miss
what
the
he's drinking
you're gonna
tonight.
miss the red carpet.
Yeah.
You're gonna miss looking at these fine babes in here. I mean, I'm just kidding. Not just
No, she's
But,
serious. Like there are a lot of beautiful people inside and out that you will meet at this event. This is a great networking event, and you're paying less than $200. It's basically like a affordable
2-for-1 combo.
yeah
deal.
network. Yeah, it's a jack of all trades.
And it's gonna be fun. You're gonna have a good time.
It's definitely
Like we
definitely-
emphasize. Oh, thank you, Priscilla girl.
Definitely.
Like we said earlier, we're
Hey,
definitely
Chioma.
gonna have a full weekend from Friday to Sunday.
We're not sleeping.
But obviously, our main day is Saturday. our
Saturday
gala,
is the gala,
okay?
October 12th, right?
Yes, October 12th. So as of today, marks 30 days right before our gala. So definitely, like we said before, and we reiterated, what is our website, guys, to get your ticket?
www.uiuhgala.com.
Hello, get your tickets while we're here because it's getting hot. Okay, it's
If you
getting hot.
know someone that is a Virgo, September birthday, give them a gala ticket.
Virgo. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
this is the month. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
this
we
is
like
Virgo
Virgos.
season.
They're sweet. We like Virgos. We like
So,
Virgos.
like we said, there's gonna be different acts. Also, we are going to be raffling off some giveaways at our gala. So you definitely want to get your ticket because you will be in the ticket lineup for your ticket to possibly pull to get a raffle from one of our companies.
Do we have a limit on raffle purchases? Because
Actually, no, we don't.
so I can buy 10.
If you want to, girl.
It's easier to win. The more tickets, the likely chance that you will actually win.
For instance, we have Hot Couture or Hot House. Definitely will be in the building.
Win
Giving-
couture too.
Yes, and we'll be giving out some giveaways. Also, Distinctive Travelwear is giving out. Urban Attires is giving out a giveaway. So definitely you want to be there to win those gifts, okay?
I just want to win everything.
I want to win everything.
Okay.
If I have to buy 20 raffle tickets, I'm buying 20 raffle tickets.
Right.
Like, I already have a reason to dress up.
Right.
I already have a reason to take pictures because the venue is really nice. Ladies, we know we love to stump for the gram. Men, you know we love to stump for the gram. Food to be involved, entertainment. I'm really excited.
And this year, like our caterer, man, she's been awesome for Uiuh Houston. Auntie Franca's Kitchen. Hello. Shout out Auntie Franca, wherever you are. I saw Cindy on here earlier. Shout out to her mother. Y'all definitely, and okay, for some of you guys who have kids and you're looking for a company that can take care of your kids and is African owned and African based here in Houston, Texas, please go to Instagram, Zenny's Play Corner. Drop your kids
Yes.
in there because
Yes.
her service is A1. We have a lot of our members who are actually who have their children in her school. Man, she is excellent. She's superb. She's on point. She's actually been featured on Voyage magazine. Y'all need to check out her business. And it's Zenny's Play Corner. Follow her on IG.
Yes.
Zenny's Zinni School. Okay, y'all follow her because look, you guys need to put your kids in a quality program. Put them in a school that's gonna just help them.
Someone that you can trust.
Trust, and she's Nigerian, and she was here in Houston. Hello, guys, and it's 24-hour service that can be set up. Book your ticket.
If I had kids, I don't have kids.
I have God kids.
I am a child of God. I don't have kids. If I want to take my kids to her services, I would just hit her up on Instagram.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. And she has a website, so you definitely hit her up. Like I said, Zinni's Play Corner, and even her Play Corner is mobile. It can go to different like establishments and setups. So definitely contact her. She's on Instagram. Shout her out. Like we said, we're gonna have a fashion show. We're gonna have Urban Attires fashion show. Glam and Soaking is gonna be in our fashion show. I mean, just to throw out some people out there. We have culture dance, we have music, we have a lot of entertainment set up. So you guys are going to be on your feet. The masquerade is going to be entertaining. We're going to have our drama team. Like, I mean, we got some stuff cooking. Not only that, we're going to have a mixer Friday, just so that when you get in, you guys are just, loosening up, have a little drinks in your system, listen to Afro beats. Guys, it's going to be awesome. And Sunday, at it again. So definitely come out. We want to see your smiley faces. And we're going to have photographers, videographer, everyone in the building, guys. So stay tuned. Watch our pages on Facebook and Instagram. Hit us up on our page, www.uiuhouston.com. We're just shouting you guys out. We want you guys to be there. I'm seeing some people asking some questions, I believe. I don't know if someone asked or was trying to join, but guys, I mean, what else do you think we should be like putting out there in the universe for everyone who wants to come out?
African time. No African time. Guys, no African time.
Please,
No African time. Absolutely.
You're gonna miss out on a lot. And if you're paying for a ticket, you want to enjoy every single part.
Everything.
You don't want to miss out on anything.
Everything.
Don't come late.
And if we close down the kitchen, you will not get the chicken. You will not get goat meat. I'm sorry. I mean,
And
jollof rice.
if you come late, God might have said at this time we'll meet your wife. But you came late.
You see?
And now you have missed her.
Now Devontae has taken your wife, or Shaniqua has taken your wife. I mean, your husband. I mean,
Don't come late.
My bad. I don't know.
Be on
Both
time.
ways, whatever.
It's gonna be
Look at
fun.
Sylvester, Mr. Urban Attires. What are you looking forward to at this gala? Because we know you have something to say.
Let me wave back at y'all.
And what do you guys expect also?
I know.
Okay, well, talk to us. Let us know. In the meantime.
Show, I see you just joined. Okay, DJ Show, do you have something to ask us?
This girl has turned me bush. Look at me. Hey.
Oh, you just silent treatment? Okay, it's all good.
That chuckle. Have you guys contacted your tailor? Are your outfits getting made?
Well, actually, I'm not gonna let y'all know what I'm wearing. Y'all just gonna see me when y'all see me.
All right, you're wearing clothes, right?
No, I'm not wearing. No, I'm just kidding. I am. I'm wearing some clothes. I might. I don't know.
What's going on Friday night? Everything.
Everything's going on.
Pull up.
I actually don't know what to wear.
You don't know what to wear?
Okay, so I know what to wear. I just don't I'm trying to put my design together still, y'all.
Baby girl, we gotta be extra.
I have to look really nice, guys.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is our city.
We already know your hair is gonna be on point, like always. So,
Well, that's not my kid.
And-
That's the one thing I do in this life.
Yeah,
My
hair.
hair is crazy.
So if someone is interested in getting their hair wig or getting their hair slayed, how would they contact you, Lucci?
Okay, so I have 2 Instagram pages. You can either contact my
we
personal
all
page
able.
at Lucci Bay.
Mm-hmm.
There's 2 eyes.
Lucci
At
Bay with 2
Lucci
eyes.
Bay with 2 eyes.
Okay.
Or you can go on at Styles by Luch.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so rude.
Houston Heat.
Here you go, Styles by Luch, guys. Contact me. I have a whole booking website. You don't have to talk to me. If you don't want to talk to me, you don't have to talk to me.
You want to talk to her.
There's a
She's
whole
very
website.
approachable.
But if you have questions, guys, if you have questions,
The lady chopping ground nuts.
It's all a while.
Enjoyment.
Yes,
The lady
she is.
with the glasses is cute,
Yes.
fine.
Who is that?
She is single.
Oh my god.
I'm just saying. You know.
Come to the gala and find her.
If you
You can recognize her, that wig is gonna be you.
I ain't coming to storm me.
Look, DMX challenge right here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
So,
big.
but for real, if you guys have questions of like a style you want, a budget you're working with, like come and talk to me.
We don't know why she's shaking these breasts. The girl, I just feel like,
Y'all, like,
I don't even know. The way she's shaking these peanuts is not encouraging me. Your face is not encouraging me. I don't know.
But can we talk about how she's eating the peanuts and her lipstick is not?
Oh,
not-
flawless.
not-
Baby, this is
not
Sephora,
rude.
$14, okay? $14.
Baby, we
Use
all
them
like
Sephora coins.
This is how y'all should be at the gala. Because you're gonna
Snatch.
eat and your lipstick should still be intact, y'all.
See, I can kiss anybody in my well, anyway.
It's not going anywhere. You like kiss everybody that walks in the door. It's not going anywhere.
You're not handing out kisses, I'm not.
But that's not part of the ticket, y'all.
They don't come with the package.
Okay. Because we don't give nothing for free.
But yeah.
I'm really excited. I really hope I have the privilege of being interviewed again this year. That was really dope. Like, seriously.
Not only that, like the recap video, that was compiled right after the gala.
Yeah.
Like it hit all the highlights of all the great moments, the highlights of people just having to enjoy.
Yeah,
people.
who did that?
Actually, you know what? Miss Ada created that. And it's on
Yeah,
YouTube.
Yaku. Yeah, she's pretty dope.
And
She
she's on
did our
Instagram.
promo video. She's amazing. She's an amazing director. And she did a great job.
Yeah, so most definitely look at Miss Ada Creates on
she's
Instagram.
dope.
Check her out. Book her for your next service, for your next event.
I agree.
But remember, nothing is for free.
Not in America.
Happiness is free, and you will be happy if you come together.
Even us, we're not even free. You have to pay for. You have to pay for ourselves.
I'm not on the menu, so
I'm on
You're
the
not?
menu.
No.
She's on the menu. She's on the menu. Don't mind her.
What menu?
What menu are you
The
most
menu
on?
for the gala.
Come to the gala. y'all.
Oh, I am on the gala menu, but yeah.
So, I mean, it is kind of getting late, and I know we've kind of taken 2 hours of y'all's time of your day.
Well, I
But
appreciate
we
you guys
definitely appreciate you guys coming on here,
watching us eat these.
Village Granuts. And we hope to hear from you. And like we said, definitely if you need to reach out to Uiuh Houston and you have any questions about getting your ticket, because we need to start.
Will there be chin chin on the menu?
Ha! There better be chin chin and granuts on that menu.
Oh
So,
my god,
if you like,
that's a great question,
even meat pie. So, you want
Of
meat
course.
pie?
What's in
Oh, yeah.
Auntie.
Well, okay, that's too much.
Enjoyment.
Because I need to get in my dress. You know,
Honestly,
because
I don't know. I'm not eating all that stuff for the gala. I'm trying to be snatched.
Me too, baby.
Y'all, live your best life, okay? Come to the gala, take your pictures before you start eating. 'Cause once
Yes.
you start
That is
eating-
great advice because
Once
the
you start
sucking
eating-
game can only last for so long.
Because you can't stand up and then you're sitting like
You'll be
this.
sucking in your stomach will be fighting back. Take your pictures before you eat.
Before men, remember, get those pants tailored properly. No baggy daddies. We don't-
And no high waters.
Oh no, I like when they show their ankles. That's
Please.
cute.
No, there's ankles and then there's like
Oh yeah, calf.
Please put lotion on your ankles. Oh, food for non-meat eaters.
I think there's a veggie.
There's always gonna be veggies.
Yeah, they're always
And rice.
Vegetable.
But about the ankles, not just lotion, oil, Vaseline, baby oil.
Uh-huh.
Lotion sometimes will, when the AC hits, it will not become dry. We should not add Vaseline, baby oil, shea butter, packets on your armpit.
Oh yes, smell good.
Good.
Perfume,
Please.
cologne is
Look,
I don't need to
that
raise your
alone-
hand. I know I'm like, hey.
that alone will get you the number.
No,
Cologne,
cologne, raise
cologne
this your
matters.
hand. And I can smell.
Ladies, shave them pits.
You see how clear my armpit is?
See,
It
shave them
must be
pits.
clear. I don't want to see any hair. No hair on your armpits.
Ladies, you know they say Igbo women hairy. We gotta get the little stash.
If you have a mustache here,
Get that down there. We can't have thicker beards than
Please.
men now, ladies.
we cannot be.
Look, sis. Talk to your other sister. Let her check you before you come.
Shave your leg, okay? Don't.
You know, it's an opportunity for you to like look nice and really pretty. Like, put some effort. That's all we're saying.
You know.
Put some
Remember what I
effort.
said,
Like
ladies?
deodorant.
Nice posture matters.
Okay, shoulders.
Okay. See, you know.
Man, don't come in here just haggard. Don't come in there haggard. Please.
Hello, can I have your number? No, you can't.
No, I'm getting.
Hold on. Somebody.
Girl, we gonna get off. Why are we climbing on here like this?
Please.
No, seriously, y'all.
What are y'all's favorite
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, okay.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, uncle.
Uncle.
I'm sorry. I thought you were my uncle in Ignatius. I thought you were
Welcome.
Kingsley or Ignatius. Okay.
Marvin, hi.
Hi, Daisy. How are you guys doing?
I see you have this your beard.
Hey, Vivian.
It's
Sorry?
connected.
Oh, you got it. I see what the guys are doing. They wait until they get their haircut to get on live.
No.
We know you look nice.
Can I possibly get a haircut this night? So you guys are doing an amazing job. I've been laughing and laughing and laughing. You guys are so lively and oh my God.
Thank you.
Thank God for guys like you. I said I was just gonna stop by and say hi, and keep my own groundnut place.
Okay. We have enough. Pull up at the gala. They'll be ready.
Of course, I'll make it to the gala. Yeah. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah, you all keep it up. Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
All right. Yeah. Cheers.
See you with your connected Abraham Lincoln bird.
Oh, no, I'll take care of that.
Hey.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Hasta mañana.
That's Namiana.
Hey, what you doing?
Oh, wait.
You turned
Oh,
it.
man.
What you? Whoa.
What I need?
Huh?
Oh, hey, mommy.
Okay.
Okay, y'all. Don't mind me, y'all.
She's not a serious person. Why are y'all laughing?
So I know we've taken a lot of your time, like we said before. We definitely are winding down.
We need the last few questions. Y'all have any last questions before we leave? You can definitely show them the dance moves. And
Baby, let me put my song on because y'all ain't ready for me.
wait, let me make sure. Marvin's room. Did you buy your ticket? I hope you brought your ticket.
We want receipts, y'all.
Yeah.
Because we get the receipt.
I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Like, I really am. I really am so excited. Oh, this year's gonna be so fun. Every year gets better. That's what's crazy.
Exactly.
Because last year was dope.
I'm excited because I missed the convention and I thought this would be like a mini
Right.
convention. I'm hoping.
Oh, you're gonna have
I
fun.
get to like see
And
everybody.
you're in your city?
Right? Exactly.
Wait, who are we bringing to the gala?
As far as what? Entertainment or acts?
Who am I bringing to the gala? I'm definitely not bringing anybody.
Hey, Ruth.
Hey, baby.
But-
Let me see something.
Dates?
Our
Do we
dates?
have dates?
Do you have a date?
Do I have a date? Sure.
You have a date.
I
Belle,
don't.
do you have a date? That man just said you were cute, fine. That's your date.
Hey. Oh.
Hey, Ruth. He said cute, cute, fine, fine. Okay, is this Kelly Rowland cousin? I know. Man, that shit off the live because they use it. Hello.
What's going on?
That's what happens when you have Sprint.
Oh, girl, this is T-Mobile.
Kanu Rowland. Are you related to Kelly Rowland?
Is that your cousin?
Because if you're not giving us free tickets,
You know, I love Kelly. Kelly said he knew you were gonna play that. We've been waiting 3 hours little.
Yeah, so okay, Kanu.
Yeah, SpongeBob. Oh, yeah, I'm going ahead and head out.
So I don't know what spirit is in here right now, but you know, I just don't want to make sure that it's not trying to confuse us right now. But
Somebody wants to join.
okay. So after this, guys, we're gonna definitely shut it down for the night.
Wait, somebody asked about the venue.
Oh, the venue.
There are no parking issues
None.
whatsoever. Parking lot, trust me, no park. There are plenty of parking spaces.
Inside you can park sideways.
Plenty of parking spaces.
Y'all
trust
can
me.
stunt if y'all want to, cause when y'all pull up, it's about to be a movie.
That's a great way to describe the night, a movie.
Cause baby, I'm gonna be taking videos, okay?
We know your phone. Like, what type of phone is that? It's like you have
Baby,
video.
I'm getting too many. Anyway, let me not tell myself.
You definitely have a lot of memories, so I know you're gonna get some good footage.
I do. I have stuff from 2014, but anyway.
I know you have. I know you're gonna do a good job. But definitely red carpet. Be on time. You know, show off your cute, amazing outfit, and you have a really nice picture. Your picture will come out, you know, professionally. You can post it. It can be your new display. Yeah, absolutely. It can be your default picture. It could definitely be your default picture. You will have a great. Dang it. Let's come on, little Roland. K Roland.
Mm-hmm. Hello. What time is it there? It's dark.
Why is it dark in here?
Turn on your light then, honey. What you talking about? You already know. Baby, you asking us a question, baby. We asking. What is this dark night?
Can you see my big head?
Okay, you have a nice smile, but we could, you know.
Are you calling from? Where are you calling from? Festac Village or what?
Calling from Katie.
Katie White.
Nepa has second life.
No, sir.
Calling from Houston.
Houston, what?
Houston and Katie, Richmond.
Okay,
Oh,
hello.
that's
Hi there.
Hello, Mr. Houston, Katie Richmond.
Okay, so where are you from?
Will someone be able to acquire by joining the Uiuh Houston at the Gala? Absolutely. We're open to questions at any time.
All the time. Don't call me after 4.
Don't ignore her. If you have
How y'all
any,
doing?
we're able. She answers all the questions. She's just.
I'm just goofing around. So, okay,
Mr. Nepa, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
We're
lovely.
doing mighty well. And how about you?
Mr.
I'm okay.
K, have you got your Gala ticket?
No, but I'll pick it up. I'll get it.
You'll get.
What's going on?
Do you need me to send you the link?
I'll get a ticket. Don't worry about that.
Okay, then. We're just going to hold on to that. Okay?
Say less, baby.
So, what brings you on this live tonight?
Sorry, come again? I didn't get that.
What brings you on the live tonight?
Girl.
Boredom.
Boredom? From where?
Yeah.
Oh, boredom.
My wife is in the living room, so I'm in the room.
So, is there any question you have for us?
Okay.
I
I need to block her right now.
I mean, you joined the live, and I'm just trying to find out, is there anything
you had distasteful that you had to discuss with us?
Eh?
Nothing. Nothing really.
What is going on here?
Oh,
Sir, are you using us as an avenue to kill your boredom?
do you need us to hook you up with anyone in Houston, Texas?
Women
No.
like
No. Are you single and ready to mingle?
No.
Oh, that was a
Okay.
that was a hot
My God, I don't understand.
Oh, okay.
That's what I Good night in the building. Hey, you can be a security. Anyway.
Yeah.
Your wife is in the living room?
Who making all this noise? I'm sorry.
Sorry?
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me drink my tea real quick.
Oh, God, I done ran out of tea. I'm sipping on the bottom of the cup now.
Sir, what intrigued you to come on the live then?
I don't think my wife is in the parlor. She's working on a laptop, so I was just about sleeping and saw you girls online.
Aww. Are you bringing your wife to the gala?
Definitely should.
Hopefully, yeah, of course.
Great. So, have you heard of us before?
Are we doing best dressed couples?
Yeah.
We are definitely doing best dressed couples, so you and your wife need to come. Killing the game. Yes, y'all definitely need
Don't look sideways.
What kind of dress? Traditional or corporate?
to formal. Yes, I think you should do traditional. It's a win, automatic win.
Oh,
Happy wife. Just give her your card so she can get a cute outfit. Just give her 2 cards. She gonna be alright.
A black card, please.
Just let her get y'all a cute little matching outfit, trad or formal. I think y'all look nice in traditional wear for sure.
okay, okay.
No jeans. Oh my gosh.
No
No jeans.
or sneakers, because you won't.
No, but there are some really cute, like dressy looking, like
So what they wrong? I ain't got ya.
they have cute. I don't know what they're called, but they're cute.
But we
But
can
jeans.
post some ideas like on our story.
Yeah, we should definitely do that. But jeans are a no. Please don't come in your tall tees. No, we're not doing those snapbacks and fitteds. We're not doing that. What else is a
No boxes hanging out, please.
Ladies, leave the Daisy Dukes at home.
If you're gonna wear formal, don't do like a little pin ties with pin bow tie, like a real tie.
Real ties. I love when guys wear ties. They're so cute.
Please don't wear slippers with ashy toes.
Come
No, I won't.
dress dress to impress. Men,
Don't worry.
little big oil looks nice, ladies, we like our highlights to pop. We like the men's beards glistening.
Oh, ladies, a tip: if you want like off shoulder, a little bit of highlight on your collarbone.
Oh yeah, put that on your collarbone, clavicle
game.
Yeah, that is
It'll
true.
pop. It'll really pop, though.
That is good advice.
Clavicle game.
That was $10. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah,
I get a message.
Okay.
No more questions.
Okay. All right. Well, we do want to just thank you for coming on our live, but we're just a bit taut and a bit tired, so we're just trying to round it up.
Okay. I hope people will speak Igbo.
I know makeup artists. If you need makeup artists, yes, girl. If you need help with makeup, I'm not the girl, but I will send you to a girl. They know I do makeup. Lucha, you do makeup too.
If you have questions, I can.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
America. Hi.
Oh my god.
Well,
That is gonna do it.
You're supposed to do a dance.
oh baby, let me put
No, not that song.
No, what song? Killing Them?
No, not that song.
What song? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay. Oh wow, really?
That might be no guidance.
Hot, hot, hot.
Rosalia.
Have y'all considered running a TV show? Absolutely not.
I mean, we've been told before, but we just be joking around. This is just, we can't let this all day.
Oh, he said should be sleeping, but I'm watching y'all from UK. You are a smart.
Wow. Go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com.
Come in. We love people from the UK. Fly in. Come to our gala.
From everywhere.
Oh my God. That is so funny.
All right, y'all.
All right, so we're about to wind down, like we said before, so many times. But we definitely don't want you guys to miss out on our third annual gala. So please go to www.uiuhhoustongala.com. Look out for updates on raffle giveaways, entertainment, our whole weekend lineup, and make sure you get your friends.
Sound like we in the mood.
Guys,
Are you feeling it? Hey.
I'm sorry.
Hmm.
The village is calling me.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Okay, fam. Hey.
The spirit has
You
come over
feel
me.
it? You gotta fan her shoes. Hey. Hey.
Okay.
Hey, Shimo. I know. Shimo, are you still looking for your somebody? He's not.
Anyway, the village people have been calling me, but I gotta go home. I gotta
They
sleep.
called, you gotta answer. It's time.
I ain't gonna answer that.
I want to give a shout out to Ijama.
Woo!
So she's always shown love.
She is our community service coordinator.
The hostess of the mostest.
She's
She's
the
like
hostess.
She's the best. Clutch. Her nickname is Clutch.
They did such an amazing job. We're really excited to see you guys at the gala.
I'm so excited. Look at this girl.
Okay, I'm extra. Okay, so signing out, guys. I'm tired. I'm hot. You know, we live in Houston, so
I'm done. It's really here.
I'm gonna take out this ankara. I ain't trying to wear this ankara no more. But anyway, not right now.
Hey, Chamo.
So guys, so once again, this is
The fourth person was Ijama. I am my desert.
ha, and I'm Mua.
Your mom named you?
No.
What's your name, girl?
My name is Frederica Uche. Well, I ain't giving my whole government name, but
when people start looking you up on Google.
Uche. I'm just gonna give you the Nigerian name, Uchenna. So
Uchenna.
Okay. Anyway.
Oh, Uchi for the full name.
Mm-hmm.
And our hostess was Ijama.
With the mostest.
With the most.
Come on, Ijama. Okay.
It's nice to see her.
Come on, Ijama.
Good to see Ijama.
Thank you guys, and we stay tuned for our gala updates
Hey, Linda.
and watching our page. Hey, Linda. Definitely watch our page at UIU Houston on Instagram. We reiterated, watch our video on this story. And we hope to see you guys. We can't wait to see you guys.
October 12th.
October 12th, 30 days.
Remember, no African time.
Don't get told about it. Be there.
I
All right.
know. If you're going to watch all of our IG stories, you might as well be there.
Right. So, and I know y'all about to go on the witch hunt and find our Instagram pages. So, anyway, so thank you guys. Have a good night. We're ready to go sleep because we don't want no bears. Okay. So,
Girl, I'm going to need you to block me the moment we get off.